dear fellow coders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of Java programming, and I have a beginner friendly tutorial for you guys. We are going to learn how to very first Java program, the classic Hello World program. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to refresh your Java skills, this tutorial is perfectly for you. So let's get started. That's it for today. I hope you guys like this video and this video helps you in understanding how to print hello world in Java. This was a very basic program. If you understand this tutorial, so let me know. I will make more tutorials for you guys. Make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you will never miss any video from my channel, and keep supporting me and like this video. Thank you guys.